Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Tower Isle in St. Mary. Now, Tower Isle is a small community right on the outskirts. It's close to the border of Ocherius and St. Mary. It's actually located in the parish of St. Mary. But when you're driving from Ocherius towards the Ian Fleming International Airport, after you drive out of Ocherius, you go into Tower Isle. It's more specifically right as you pass the Reggae Beach. That area is known as Tower Isle. And because it's next to Ocherius, it's on the north coast of Jamaica. You have a lot of hotels, a lot of villas. It's a major tourist area. A lot of large hotel chains are there. You have those small villas. Very, very nice community. And it's on the north coast of Jamaica. So the Northern Coastal Highway runs through Tower Isle. So as you can see on the left and on the right, you have a lot of, or maybe you can't see it because of the trees, but to the left is where you have the beach. To the left of the road is the beach area, and then to the right is, as you go up, you go further into the hills, but you have a lot of villas on the left and the right. Earlier we passed one of the major hotel chains, and very, very popular area on the north coast. Well developed in terms of villas, Airbnbs, those kind of things, hotels, those kind of things. Because it's actually very close to the Ian Fleming International Airport, which is in Boscobel, St. Mary. So to get from the airport to Ocherius, which is a major tourist destination, you pass through this area. And this is the Northern Coastal Highway that we're driving on. As you can see, a very nice road. This highway actually runs from Port Antonio all the way back to Negril, the entire north coast of Jamaica. And this road is, now it's 2 lanes, but between Ocherius and Montego Bay, it's going to be expanded into 4 lanes, or expanded to 4 lanes. As you can see, it's a very nice road. And you can see the pictures for the different villas and beachfront properties, those kind of things. It also has a lot of, how would you say, local residents, a lot of residential homes. And then on the left now you're going to see some of the villas. Very, very nice villas, some very expensive villas up in this area. Ocherius is well developed. Ocherius is a major tourist town close to Tower Isles. It's well developed. There isn't a lot of space left because you have a lot of villas, especially to the left and closer to the beach. You have a lot of major hotel chains. Ocherius is well developed. It's not a tourist attraction, it's a hotel or a villa, something like that. So you find, because the development keeps going, because this is the north coast of Jamaica, they move out of Ocherius in both directions. So if you drive from Ocherius towards the Montego Bay end, that's where you're going to find Duns River Falls, a lot of villas, those kind of things. And if you leave from Ocherius to head to the St. Mary end, which is the side we're on now, you find a lot more villas and hotels heading this way. And this is Tower Isle. If we continue going, we're going to come up to Boscobel, and Boscobel has a lot of hotels, a lot of villas. It's a major tourist destination as well. Not as popular as Ocherius, but it's still a major tourist destination. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You can enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.